Hey guys, it's Destiny. So I just hopped on here so we could talk about a few things that I have on my table when I'm doing a garden circle workshop. So I always have my pedestal, my gold pedestal. I'm going to do a little construction on it because it was not stable for this design. I do my medium. I have the green foam dome inside of that brown bowl. I do some rocks. I do my mason jars and fill those up with some water. Love mason jars because the narrow neck and it's easy to keep bundles of flowers stable. I did rocks that I could not figure out where I wanted to sit them. You see me moving them again. And for the colors, I did pink, white, green, purple, and the calla lilies, super vibrant. Trader Joe's does a great job at their selection, so highly recommend them, and Whole Foods. So I'm doing a lot, I'm doing a little, but it's not super busy on my table. Some toothpicks, a Pop-Tart, and we're set. Thanks for joining.